Landwirt.com, the online marketplace for agriculture. The Landwirt.com film crew is visiting the Pöcherstorfer family in Heiligenberg in Southeast Asia today. Tobias Manuel, hello.
Hello, thank you for your invitation. You have a DIY project on Landwirt.com opened. And Tobias, tell us, what did you build yourself?
Well, you made an animal flooring system using a loading crane and loading beams.
How that come about? Could you please explain a bit more about how you came up with this idea?
Our challenge in our agricultural business has always been our second business location, which is about 18 kilometers away. And as a result, we obviously have to do a lot of transport, like fertilizers, big bags, etc., where you obviously and absolutely need something at the second business location, which is extremely crucial, that you can efficiently load and unload. That means our focus is on the sick.
Yes. Manuel, tell us, what technology was used in your project?
We found the basic structure of the animal flooring system on Landwirt.com. We then spontaneously bought it in KT. Then, we saw after the first few trips that it wasn't technically very good. It's more the color and the chain that hold the whole thing together. Then we said, well, let's do a complete restoration and ordered iron and have already unloaded it. In the end, while we were working on it, we realized that you can actually build a crane in the foreground. We found a relatively new one today on Landwirt.com. The steer block was originally a pressure control system, and then we converted it into a steer tractor. We reinforced the entire frame in the front for a crane. We built ramps in the background, so that you can transport a tractor or a truck. We didn't copy all the dimmer bridges and made them stronger with sticks underneath. We installed the workshop management everywhere, a flasher in the background, all the lines, so that we used the front work, because it is maneuverable on the sweep, etc. It's often quite firm. In general, we don't have the whole braking system. A lot is taken with us. There are disc brakes in ES.
Yes, and what are the dimensions and figures for your running shop?
Yes. Basically, we have an external width of 2.45 meters in the animal ladder because the crane has a loading area of about 8 meters. A support load with the crane is a vehicle of 1,000 kg. That means we only have approximately about 1,000 kg in demand, you see, or something like that. The construction time was 4 months ago, which of course contradicts the fact that my brother and I only work 40 hours a day.
Can you estimate, what are the costs for your DIY project?
Yes, we looked at it when we had a company. As it says, we actually saved around 70,000. The total amount of euros has been successfully and securely saved for future use.
Yes, and Tobias, you still have plans for the future, right? Do you have anything else planned for the running shop?
Due to my main job as an electrician, the question was brought up again, that it would actually be very interesting to have the area closed off after a few years, and that's why I always have a washing container set up, where I have all the technologies, which I of course say goodbye to with a crane. For example, we then modified the crane with a work basket for 2 people, so that I can of course be mobile and can pick up the setups accordingly. I am excited to announce that I would then of course plan to open my innovative and unique service for small-scale area flights, which will provide an exceptional experience for travelers in spring 2025.
Yes, Tobias Manuel, thank you very much for sharing and presenting your DIY project to us. Dear viewers, you have seen it on Landwirt.com. Take note and then also feel very encouraged to build on the farm. So, if you have also realized a project, then please submit it to Landwirt.com. Sign up.